get there, it's way off kind of in the sticks. So we're still on a paved road right now, but eventually it's going to be that we're turning off on a dirt road, and we'll be traveling through the hills here. Hopefully find this ghost town, and we will show you what that's like when we get there. On our way to this ghost town, we are taking the road, it's called Gulch Road, and it's the one close to Drummond. And this way is not recommended for motorhomes or anything pulling like a trailer, like an RV, you know, camper trailer. So far, this is what it looks like, and it's still paved at this point. So we're about a mile and a half probably down this road, which we have to go 10 miles on, and now it's turned to gravel. So yeah, about a mile. Oh, here's the 2 mile marker. So 2 miles in, road turns to dirt. And now we're going up. We're about, between 3 and 4 miles in on this road now. We are using our prepaid Verizon phone, smartphone, with Google Maps on here is directing us to this ghost town. I'd say we're about 5 mile mark right now. The road has gotten a little narrower and there's been some sharper turns. Here comes a forestry truck, it looks like. This part of the road we just got on is definitely the narrowest part so far, and we were warned. There was a sign saying single track road, steep, and so far we haven't seen anything too steep, but it must be ahead of us yet. Okay, I would say that we are now on the steep part of the road, and I could see that here is the problem why you would not want to bring a large motorhome or try to pull a trailer up this. So the last 2 miles about of this road from the Drummond way to get here, that would be the part that we're on right now, that you wouldn't be able to take a motorhome up here or a trailer. But there is access from the other direction, and that's the way Dave and I will probably be going out of here, and that way is supposedly more friendly for those other types of rigs. Well, the last little bit was the worst. There's the parking area, it says that way. Garnet Ghost Town parking. Trailers and buses. We're not a trailer or a bus. Yay, we made it. Okay, so we made it to the ghost town parking lot anyway. They've got vault toilets here. There's plenty of people here. I'm sure they all came the easier way. There is a fee required, and it is $3 per person. So we'll just pay our fee. get on our way.
3 envelopes.
From the parking area that we chose to go to, you've got a little bit of a walk down a nice gravel trail.
I wonder if we should ride on rock. Well, the girl seems home now.
Yeah, I was holding shoes on.
Bar?
Go up to the bar.
You in here?
Like a cellar.
Yeah, it's
Cool.
cool.
Over there.
Cool in here.
That's one of the gasoline engine ones. See, that's a gasoline engine. The kickstart doesn't look like it's on it though.
Gasoline powered washing machine. Didn't you say that these were notorious for catching on fire?
Yeah. That's the kickstart.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe, huh? A hotel. This would be the kitchen. Storage. Oh, there's 2 rooms up here. Somebody fixed the ceiling.
Yeah. Signing us in, Dave? I wish those were real gold bars.
Them are ancient solar panels. We have cable TV too. There.
Yeah.
Dirt floor cabin. Oh, there you go.
The toilet.
A 3-holer. Wow, that's a party.
Well, Dave and I have pretty much covered the ghost town of Garnet. We are now on our way back to the truck. We're going to take the smooth road out of here.